Hi, this is John from Chicago, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing the Nubidrone Nitro Nectar Gold batteries. I bought 4 of these about a month ago when I ordered my first Nubidrone. It was a Hummingbird F4 Pro, and to get the package over $100 to get the free shipping, I ordered 4 batteries. I think they were $25 for the 4, and I'm always looking for a deal, so I got free shipping on it, and I got the quad with the 4 Nitro Nectar batteries. And when I tested the quad, it did fairly good. I was kind of surprised how well it compared to the Mobula 6 on power. And now that I've done some testing on it, I think part of that has been because of the batteries. I've had a lot of people say these are fantastic batteries, I should get some and try them out. And when I got them and put them in my Hummingbird there for testing, I thought, yeah, these are great batteries. I can see why everyone praises them so much. They're a little expensive. They're about $7 each, and even when you buy 4 of them, I think they're $6.25 each. So they're maybe cost twice as much as some of your other batteries that are out there. But they might be worth it, especially if you have a race or something like that. I'm going to test these. I'm going to use the same methodology that I did on the other 8 batteries. And the other 8 batteries, I basically did 2 tests. I did a hover test to see how long my Mobula 6 25,000K Tiny Whoop would hover down to 3 volts from a full charge. And then the other test I did was to put it on my thrust bench and see how much peak power I could get out of the battery by what the thrust would be. Back in February of 2020, when I did my original testing, my values range from a Happy Model battery. Had only 89 grams of thrust on my Mobula 6. Where my LiPo and the Talon batteries both put out 104 grams. So that's a substantial amount more power, and I felt that these Nitro Nectars would be similar to those or maybe slightly better, and I was pleasantly surprised on how much power they put on. So let me go through the testing and I'll show you the results. The first test is a hover test, and I sped it up by a factor of 10. The time was quite good at 3 minutes and 32 seconds. That was 33 seconds faster than the best battery before, which was my LiPo, and a full minute longer than the RDQ 300. And the all-up weight is 28.3 grams. Okay, the Nitro Nectar Gold battery, it doesn't have a plug on it, so you really got to push everything all the way in and push it on like that. That's how to get that plugged in. Let's put it over here. Power on. Test number 1. 105, 104, 97. Wow, these batteries really put out a lot. The thrust was 131 grams. This is 26% more than what my LiPo battery, when I tested that before, it had 104 grams of thrust. So to verify this, I did a second battery. I used a Nitro Nectar that had about 10 cycles on it, and I still had 122 grams of thrust. So this is very good. You're looking at a spreadsheet here of all the batteries. The Nitro Nectar is on the bottom, highlighted in yellow. You want to look at the thrust, I think, column. That's the one that I look at most of the time to see how good the battery is. That's equivalent to a C value. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave those below. And this is John from Chicago, and thanks for watching.